It's another great day. This is Dr. Willie Jolley, author of the book, A Setback is a Set Up for a Comeback. And today in this time of crisis, I want to give you tips to come back. We all know that in life, sometimes stuff is going to happen that we have absolutely no control over, like this pandemic. You must keep in mind that we cannot control what happens to us. We cannot control what happens around us, but we have complete control over what happens in us. I recommend you choose each and every day to find something to be grateful for, because gratitude gives us the fuel to keep going. So right now, stop and think of something that you are grateful for. And I want you to say it out loud and then write it down and read it all day long. You will be amazed at how it will make you feel. Try it. What you got to lose? And remember that you can be grateful and win more. Be grateful. And remember that your best is still yet to come. This is Dr. Willie Jolley. Go to winwithwillie.com and stay connected. Have a great day.